can make you turn, make you twist, my friend. Yeah, we have so much power that one didn't comprehend. Shine brighter than the diamonds on your wrist, my friend. Shine brighter than the diamonds on your wrist. Even if you don't got any diamonds, please just look inside your poster precious. They ain't haters, they are minors. Seven doors, Snow White. Let your character be your own light. Walk through them dark nights. Yeah, yeah. Shadow of death in the valley of the shadow of death. Fall. Shadow of death in the valley of the shadow of death. Fall. Thou art with me. Thou art with me. Thou art with me. Thou art with me. Yeah. Angels cover me. I know I ain't the best, but angels cover me. This world is a mess. Angels cover me. I hope I pass the test. Angels cover me. Cause this life's a big one. Don't push me to the edge. I might jump in. Then some. Holding on for dear life. I'm the morning headlights. And the one swerving to the left and the right. Praying that I make it to the rest of the night. Sickness, get your hands off me. Depression, get your hands off me. Making it hard to breathe, hard to see. Yeah, in this journey I'm traveling, it's God who wins. In this journey I'm traveling, it's God who wins. Shadow of death in the valley of the shadow of death. Fall. Shadow of death in the valley of the shadow of death. Fall. Thou art with me. Thou art with me. Thou art with me. Thou art with me. Yeah. Shadow of death in the valley of the shadow of death. Fall. Shadow of death in the valley of the shadow of death. Fall. Thou art with me. Thou art with me. Thou art with me. Thou art with me. Yeah. Angels cover me. I know I ain't the best, but angels cover me. This world is a mess. Angels cover me. I hope I pass the test. Angels cover me.
Okay, y'all, so I let this sit for about 20 minutes because it's extremely hot. And I'm just going to cut into it and just mix it all around. This is a good low carb option. You could use spaghetti, regular spaghetti noodles instead. The spaghetti squash, it looks just like spaghetti. It is a different taste, slightly different taste versus regular spaghetti, but I mean, you should definitely try it. It's really good. This is one of my favorite vegan dishes. I'm gonna turn that off and add the remaining spaghetti sauce, parsley fillets. So this should be good, but I'm gonna taste the sauce just to see. That is very, very good. So we're gonna put some sauce on there. And the sauce has the peppers and onions that I chopped up, and some meatless meatballs. course you do. Alright, now we're gonna come over here, get some. So I'm sitting here plating my meal preps, and I forgot to add some cheese. You can add mozzarella. Cheese is probably the real Italian way. The American way would be the cheddar cheese, but I have cheddar, I don't have Italian mozzarella, so just have to. But yeah, just add some cheese to it, and when you warm it up, of course it'll melt, so you can stir it in.